Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is the 9th of May and we are back and we are going to be doing our money challenge. We're going to be doing a giveaway, but before we get started with that, I do have a happy mail and I am so happy about this. I was actually shocked when I got this. So this box is actually from Star Budgets. She is here on YouTube. I will link all of her stuff down below, her YouTube channel, her Etsy shop, everything that I can think of. I will link her stuff down below. Miss Kim is one of the best people that I have gotten to know in the past couple of months, and she has an Etsy shop and she does a lot of scratch offs and everything, and she just started a subscription. There is 2 tiers, tier 1 and tier 2, and I was thinking about getting it, but I am definitely most likely going to get it whenever it launches. But anyways, she actually sent me her tier. I think it was tier 1 is what she sent me to review, and I am so excited to do this, and I need to figure out how to open it. Oh, it's on this side. Okay, so it comes in this little box. And look how cute this box is. It has Star Budgets on it. It has butterflies. It's so cute. So then in this box, like I said, there's tier 1 and tier 2. So she left me a little note that says, "Hello, budget sister. Wanting to give you my May tier 2 subscription." So this is tier 2 subscription. So she has 2 tiers. She wanted me to review it and promote it because I will promote anything that she sells pretty much. But so she has 2 tiers. There's tier 1, which is a $15 a month, and you receive 1 8x11 savings challenge, 1 mini savings challenge. And it says, "My minis are half sheet like the one you received. 1 A6 envelope to go with the A8x11 challenge, a coupon code." So you will get a coupon code for 35% off one item in her shop that month between $1 and $15. That is incredible, you guys. I easily can spend $15 at her shop. And then 1 entry into the monthly drawing. And then tier 2 is the one that I received, and it is $20 a month, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to get this one. It's $20 a month, and you receive 2 8x11 challenges, 1 mini challenge, 2 A6 envelopes to match the 8x11 challenges, a coupon code for 40% off, you guys. You see that? 40% off. Off of any one item on the shop that is between $1 or $20, and 2 entries into the giveaway, which is already incredible. You get billed on the 15th of every month prior to the month. So the box you will receive. So if you get June box, you will be billed for May 15th, which I need to hurry up and sign up for it. The challenges in every box are exclusive and you cannot purchase them anywhere else, just FYI. So if you like any of these in here, you cannot buy it. You cannot buy it on the shop individually unless you buy the subscription. The only way to purchase a box is through her Spotify store. So I'm going to try to find her Spotify store. And yeah, I am super excited. So if you would want to be a part of her subscription, either tier 1 or tier 2, I think those are incredible prices. I would definitely go and check that out if you would want to. So here is the beauty of savings. So we have an envelope, and then we have the beauty of savings, and then the butterfly savings. So that is 2 savings challenges that we can do, which is super great because we always need envelopes to do our savings challenges. And then it also comes with just a quick questionnaire. I don't know if this is going to be included in all of the subscription boxes, or is it just for me for whenever I'm reviewing this box personally. But it's just a quick questionnaire, how you like the box, what can you do different, and everything else. And then you just send it back off to her. All right, and then also in the $20 a second tier, you get 2 of the mini challenges. You do not know what the prices are, what the total is going to be. It could be high, it can be low. So I have no idea. So I need to get on it and do these mystery mystery savings challenges so I can do the questionnaire, because one of the questionnaires is, are the domination on the challenges too high, low, or okay for your budget? So I don't know. And then the next one is 2 of the 8x11s that you get from the tier 2 category. So it is the Beauty of Savings, which it saves $150, and the dominations is from $1 to $15, which I think it is pretty good, in my opinion. So is the Beauty of Savings. It is purple. It has a really pretty butterfly design, which I love that. She has done a couple of butterfly designs on her Etsy shop, and I always thought it was so pretty, and I've been wanting to buy it. And then here is the Butterfly Savings, and this is $100. You save $100, and it's 1 through 10. So that is the denominations that you can get. So you can either get $1, $2, $5, or $10. So it's not going to be anything above $10, which is super great in my opinion. So those are the 2 8x11s, and then the 2 mini challenges that you will get with the tier 2, plus the envelopes and the little placeholders, the Beauty of Savings and the Butterfly Savings. And then last but not least, well, there are actually 2. I didn't get to open this one. It is just some freebies that she adds to it, and I believe these are some stickers. And it is, oh, this one's really pretty. So here is some butterfly stickers. Oh, I love that one. So she added some stickers. Oh, look, and then she has one keychain with a little flower, which is super cute. And then she has a bookmark for me, and I love reading, so I will most definitely use this. And it has my name on it. Isn't that great? It's super cute. Oh, I absolutely love this. And then the rest is like little worms. But anyways, so this is your tier 2 category for her subscription box. I would definitely go and subscribe to her channel and subscribe to her subscription. Even if you can't do the $20, of course, there is the tier 1, which is the $15 one. So go ahead and do that. I will link all of her stuff down below. I will try to find her link to her Spotify store, and if I can't, then I am 100% sure that her Spotify link will be in her description in one of her videos. So thank you so much, Miss Kim. I really do appreciate it, and I will promote you any way I possibly can. All right, you guys, so enough chit-chatting. This is going to be a long video already. So let's go ahead and count how much we have. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So we have $116 is what we are going to do. And I have to update this so I can keep track of how much money we save each month. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to pick our winner. Now we are still in search of the $100 one, so I can gift a $25 Amazon gift card. So the winner this week, always just email me down below. My email is in the description, and also if you won last week, you cannot win this week. So let's go ahead and pick. Who's it gonna be? It is going to be Cindy again. She won a couple of weeks ago, which is totally fine because she did not win last week. Cindy, she said, cannot wait for you to finish your $500 challenge. It's so close. Number 4 for next week. So congratulations to Cindy, and she knows what to do. Just email me down below and we will see what you will win. So $4, and I'm going to color that in real quick. And let's go ahead, and I'm kind of scared. Watch this be the $100. Just watch. Just watch. Okay, let's go. Oh, nope, it is not $100. It is $45, and I have not scratched that off yet. So $45. So congratulations, Cindy. You will win a $10 Amazon gift card. And we are going to go ahead and scratch the, not scratch, but we are going to color in the $45. And it is May 9th, 2023. And that is a good number because that means I have a little bit of wiggle room that I can play with. So 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, and 44, and 45. So awesome, awesome, and awesome. So $45 is going to be going into this envelope. Oh, it's 5, 9, and 23. So $45. Awesome. 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, and 45. I'm gonna go ahead and stuff this real quick, and then we're gonna go ahead and move on to Jared did give me some money, so we are going to be stuffing some Disney. And with Disney, we are going to be stuffing the food. We're going to do one food, and that is going to be $20. $20, and let's see how much we have. So we have 100, 200, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, and 60. So $460, which is awesome. And then moving on to, he has one more 20, and then I asked him if I could just do a $20 on this one. So we are going to do $20, and that is going to be half. So then we'll have to do another 20 later on. But we do have $1,000, and look how pretty this Sailor Moon $1,000 placeholder. I got this at this cute little Play and Talk store. And I can't remember how much they were. I think they were like $1.99, and I got all of the Sailor Moons, and then I got a Pokemon one as well. But isn't she really pretty? So we have 1,000, 50, 60, 70, 75. So we have 75, and I know this does not match up. I have to add some more money so it can match up later. But we're not worried about it right now. I'm not sure where I went wrong with it. But yeah, so that's a whole thing. All right, so we only have $20, $30, $31. So I'm going to try to do the $500 savings challenge as much as I can, because I really want to get this done. So we're going to go ahead and scratch this one off. Oh, Lord. That is $30 already. That is scary. So that is literally everything that we're gonna do today. That was wow. Okay, so let's see how much we have. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 400. So $400. So we only need $100 more, and then we will be done with the $500 challenge finally. And this is from Lupita, so it has been a while. So we have $100 left. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. And there's probably gonna be like 25, 25, 25, 25 or 20, 20 to be honest. But who knows? It could be another 50, another 30, because I haven't done a lot of 30s. I think there's only 3 30s that I have scratched. So who really knows? All right, you guys. So what are we going to do with this $1 that we have? I don't know what to do with it. How about we just put it in, we're just gonna, since we're going on vacation this weekend, we're just gonna put it towards vacation for my mom and I, so we can just have some fun. So we are going to put $1 in here, which I'm not mad at all. So $1. So we have We have 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 30, 35, and 36. So we have $336. $336 is how much we have for traveling, which is great for us. And that is it, you guys. I hope you like this video. Go ahead and jump over to Star Budget's videos and channel. I will link all of that stuff down below. She is incredible, and you would definitely not regret it, you guys. You really wouldn't. She is the sweetest person alive, and I am so excited for her and her new journey of doing these subscriptions. And I'm literally going to end this video right now so I can go and subscribe to her. But anyways, I will see you guys on Friday for a Dollar Madness game. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.